Hi guys, today we are out in our pole barn. Joshua's been working very hard. Really quick, I'm going to insert a little clip of what the pole barn looked like pretty much when we bought the house.
This is a 40 by 48 pole barn.
It's huge.
Huge.
And it's heated, which is really nice. We have wanted to turn this pole barn into
A gym
ever since we bought the house. We really don't have room inside the house for that sort of thing, but when we bought this house, like, that was kind of our idea, like, as soon as we bought the house, and why we wanted a pole barn and stuff. So we're really excited. You can show them what you've been doing.
Yeah. That's what I've been doing. It had styrofoam insulation that you can see up there, real thick, and I don't really like the look of it, so I'm doing some OSB on the walls. I got that up there. I gotta finish up there.
He's gonna do the whole pole barn and all of that.
The goal is to do the ceiling as well, but that's gonna be a little more difficult, but finish it all with OSB. I'm doing these two walls mainly now so I can put all this gym stuff that we got.
Joshua placed a huge rogue order.
Yep, and we'll go through that when it's all finished.
We are so excited. Like we were just saying, it's really hard to have all these boxes here and not look at anything yet.
Yeah.
Except my belt.
We have metal weights, so we couldn't really drop them. Workout stuff's gonna go on that wall, and we got a lot of plans for this, like a rock wall and basketball hoop and stuff in here just for fun.
Yeah, we have big plans.
My goal is to get this done and get this workout stuff all up, make it a gym by the end of the month, and then...
So hopefully we have another update for you guys very soon. But we just thought it would be fun to kind of bring you guys along on this project we've been working on. Well, Joshua's basically been working on. But this is just the thing where our focus has been on lately, is out here and not really inside the house. So we're excited. So hopefully we have another update for you guys in a few days. Okay, it's late. It's snowing. And Joshua's out in the barn. I thought I would see what the little update is. It's been a couple days, so probably not a ton, but we'll just come out and say hi. Hi! So the update is what? From the other day? Just that. I don't remember what the other day was. I don't think it's that much different from the other day. He's just finishing up there. He's gonna start on the ceiling tomorrow. Joshua also bought a shop vac today, which I'm really excited about. I'm gonna try it out.
Now by ceiling, we're only doing enough that it's gonna go over the workout area so that I don't have to go and move it later when I do the whole ceiling.
Yeah.
When we do new like lights and ceiling fans and new furnace and all that.
Yeah, that's the long-term plan. We'll finish the whole ceiling off and we want to change those out. Okay. That's all. Update. This is what we've got going on. Joshua's got all of this OSB up. So we're pretty much gonna take a break for now. He did end up getting a few sheets up on the ceiling. We are having a company quote out the rest of it for us, but we just wanna get our workout equipment up right now, and he had to put a few sheets because that's where that's gonna be, and if we do the rest of it in a couple months or something, then somebody won't have to like work around the workout equipment. That's all gonna be there. This is what he's got going on so far. We still have like a few areas like over there on the wall, and then like a couple spots over here to do, and then eventually like he wants to get all that cleaned up, like all the fishing stuff. But yeah, this is what we've got going on for now, but really we just want our gym up so we can get back into our workout routine. So next step is getting all of our mats set up, and then we'll probably start going through some of these boxes. Good job. So after weeks of staring at these boxes and not opening them, because we've been working on other stuff out here, we're finally going to open some of the stuff. That's what we're really excited for. So these are our bars.
Ready?
Yep, this one's my bar.
This is your bar. Pretty.
I like it. Oh, cool. It says Rogue in the middle. I love it. I was just telling Joshua too, because there were tons of different colors you could choose from. Like, I'm glad I got the blue, because then it doesn't clash with our flag.
My bar. Here we go.
Oh, it is gray.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
That's sharp.
Nice. That looks cool. My first squat with slippers. Okay. I like it. This is all muscle. We did it.
We're done. Well,
okay, we're done for now.
yes, for now, that's the asterisks. I want to add more to the gym, but for now, for what we have,
Yes.
We're done.
This was, how long did this project take? Maybe a month?
with getting sick and all that, yes.
Yeah. So maybe a month, but we're gonna have more projects out here to come. Like right behind us here. And Joshua's gonna put like more OSB up on the wall in different spots in the ceiling and stuff like that.
And get rid of that Chevy flag.
That wasn't ours. So more projects to come.
Got a lot of flags to hang too. Got a lot more flags to
The
hang.
barn is a work in progress. But this is what we have going on so far. So this is what we have now. Joshua decided to
Got a Dragon Ball Z.
get this cartoon flag.
It's anime, not cartoon.
Don't ask people.
It's Dragon Ball Z. But I do have a couple other flags to hang up over there, like the state of Michigan flag, the Christian flag, all that stuff, so.
Yeah, so we might be hanging some more flags, but the plan is to maybe extend the mats over this way a little bit more. We have to get rid of all the boxes still. Yeah, over here a little bit. And then we eventually want to do something. This will be like Joshua's fishing station most likely. And then we want to do like a little kitchenette right there. We'll rip all that out. So lots more fun projects coming. But
the office we dedicated to a nice organized storage area up
I
there
don't
now.
think I ever even showed that in the tour. Yeah. This is actually a really nice room. It's all finished
office, yeah.
and drywalled and everything. It's pretty cool. That's like a little creepy window right there. But yeah, we have like our bikes up there, tennis stuff, golf stuff, like all the sporty stuff. We're using it for storage right now.
The main question I'm going to answer now, because I know it's going to be a question in the comments. Why did we go OSB instead of drywall or plywood or something like that? Instead of plywood, I wanted just to be able to screw things in so you can see all of our accessories down there. I just want to be able to put hooks into the OSB and hang things like we did with the whiteboard and the clock and the flags and all that.
Yeah, it was very easy just to hang things up.
Yeah.
We've worked out twice out here so far, and we love it. I'm pretty sore. So basically that's it. We got our bar rack. This is pretty much Joshua's side. This is gonna be my side. The blue one's mine, the gray one's his. And, oh, did we show that smaller bar right there? That's my pull-up bar right there, because I'm shorter. That's Joshua's up there. But you might move it down a little eventually, maybe.
Probably not.
Oh boy. But yeah, we're loving all of our rubber weights, everything like that. So if you guys want to see more stuff about the barn and our future projects and things like that, let me know in the comment section. I'll probably share things here and there, like on Instagram and stuff too, so make sure you're following me over there. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this project come together. Joshua definitely worked very, very hard on it, so
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
No, thank you.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And we will see you soon for our next little project over here. Bye.
Bye.